Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Polkadot, to be honest, not too many news. Still wanted to give you an update. This is still here the primary expectation. Primary expectation in that we have already seen most of that downside potential and that we are currently waiting for wave 5 here to play out. We had a triangle here, A, B, C, D, E. That could be broken. Yeah, that could be broken already. We might already be here in a 1 and a 2. Yeah, or maybe have seen the 1, 2, and this is a 3, 4. Even though this would be a bit too long, so I'm leaning more towards this being a wave 1 down, this currently being a wave 2, maybe in an A, B, C, from which we would then turn down further. This is all still very much possible here in this triangle. Yeah, this went down from here. That was expected from the wave E high. And for now, all we're waiting for is for the breakout below that $6.37 level, the low from the 13th of June. That was a swing low we would need to get below, and theoretically, any low below that level would be sufficient to complete this overall correction. I wouldn't be surprised to find significant support here at $5.60, the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level. This is sort of what we're looking at here. I still expect that fifth wave to work out for Polkadot. Currently, honestly, what is happening here, it is not bullish at all. Yeah, not bullish at all. We've got some kind of a rectangle pattern, yeah, which here would clearly break out to the downside below the support of 658, and then we would see here that next level, as I said, at the wave 3 low, which is at 637. Yeah, could this still break to the upside? Absolutely, but at the moment we don't see any bullishness here in the chart. It would rather suggest here this kind of a ascending, or no, not ascending, but expanding triangle. That this would move further down. And again, a key support to the downside would be that $5.60 level, the 88.7% Fib level. Overall, Polkadot looks okay from a chart point of view. Yeah, we have not yet broken below that 88.7% Fib level. As I mentioned before, that level is a key level. This level was on the radar, or has been on the radar since November, December. Yeah, at the time we were obviously in completely different sentiment ranges here. We were around $35, and I was quite crazy to talk about a $6 Polkadot. But in the end, even though it took a bit longer, and it's been a long time, it has worked out. And from here, we have now a chance to reverse to the upside. But again, what you just saw on the lower level time frame just does not support in any way a bullish breakout. But what would be the signals for something more bullish? So this would be the kind of bullish wave count, where from the low here we could say maybe we had a truncated wave to the downside, which means here the low didn't have to be lower than the previous one, then a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and we might now be working on, yeah, it would need to be a wave 3, but to be honest, for a wave 3 it's just too weak. Yeah, possibly here a 1, 2, and then, but again, it would need to break out to the upside. Best evidence for that would be a move above that $7.22 level, that resistance here. Currently we're not doing it. Yeah, if you see the retracement also here to the downside from that wave, came all the way down to the 88.7% Fib level. Really strong retracement. Quite a bearish one. It retraced more than many of the other cryptos in this wave down here. A lot of other cryptos retraced only to the 61.8 or the 78.6% retracement. And yes, it still hasn't made a lower low. Yeah, I mean, below 643, this impulse would be invalidated anyway. So it still has a chance to create something bullish from here. And again, best evidence for that would be a move above 722. I think then we could get quite easily to $8, and from here to 848. Yeah, and here then we'll probably have a stop for a moment, because this is exactly where the 50-day moving average is currently coming down, and that will provide resistance along the way. So in summary, really no bullishness here visible. I would get a bit more confident in a bullish outcome above 722, but for now I remain of the view that we will see a lower low for Polkadot. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.